Fix in 5. Got a P0482. Let's break it down, what it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Cooling fan 2 not operating, overheating warning light illuminated, engine temperature gauge reading high, check engine light MIL, activated. Now the most likely causes. Cooling fan 2 motor failure. Cooling fan 2 relay defect. Wiring harness damage or corrosion in cooling fan circuit. PCM/ECU cooling fan control module failure. Connector pin corrosion or loose connections. How to fix it. Replace cooling fan 2 motor if resistance reading indicates open or short circuit. Replace cooling fan 2 relay if relay does not energize or provide output. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness sections. Clean corroded connectors or replace connector pins if necessary. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €45, €120 doing it yourself, or €165, €240 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask. Will P0482 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0482 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or a smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Gets cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device. Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at troubleatlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0482. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.